Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if apps crashing on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open app and go back and close. Open app, go back and close. Close app 1 to 3 times. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device. Click on updates. If you want to fix this problem, so update app. For example, this is, so click on update. After click on update, you will see your app is update. After update app, you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if apps crashing on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.